services, let's say, while people are looking at them and designing them or delivering them, is probably far behind how products have matured in where they should be or could be achieving. So, for example, we don't drive a car that's basically four wheels or four tires and a steering wheel and an engine. We have far more around that attends to our journey or expectations, status. There is a lot of focus in services on the utilitarian part of services actually functioning, and still on the journey map level, sometimes we're actually trying to fix the basics and still trying to make it work. And I understand that not every service needs to be epic. Some services need to actually just function and be in the background. And some services probably have higher experiential aspect into them. You have worked on the agency side, and you are also now coaching a lot of service designers, and you discuss with experts. What do you think in the state of today, after a couple of decades in service design, is the potential of service design, where it should play, how far it should take us, and where we should be?
The potential, it depends on which perspective you take. If I am a business owner and I think about the potential of service design, it's really, really simple. The potential of service design is to help you be more profitable. That's it. It's as simple as that. To create a sustainable competitive advantage. That's the potential from a business perspective, if you are a for-profit business.
This is a point of view that creates a lot of disagreement, because I think both service designers and business owners sometimes feel like they are both aiming at the same thing, but probably they are disagreeing on shorter term, longer term, sort of like current bottom line versus customer lifetime value over a relationship. Do you think there is can you dig deeper into this, where we can actually see the potential? What sort of conversations or metrics or measurements you think we need to have in place around that?
I think the potential of service design in general, is to look at how to create new value. So as a business, you basically have two options. You are either going to become more efficient, cut costs, right, and compete on that, or you're going to find ways to create more value and capture that value in some way. So it really depends on your business strategy. Are you going to focus on the race to the bottom and focus on making things more efficient and focusing on keeping minimal margins and waiting till the next crisis, logistical crisis arrives and then go out of business? Or are you going to develop the muscle where you know that if customer demands change, you have a process in place that is able to align with those needs faster than your competitors, that you're going to create value where people are willing to pay more for, like a premium for? I think that is the big promise and potential of design.